This is a Took adventure. My name is Devin, and I didn't bring a flashlight today.
I'm turning off the television, 'cause we don't need your institution.
I'm in Snowmass right now. I'm planning on doing a pretty big hike with a bit of a late start. So hopefully we make it before it gets too dark, because I didn't remember a flashlight or anything, and I'd rather not be hiking in the dark. We're going past Snowmass Lake and Willow Lake. It is a 23-mile hike with a 6,000 foot elevation gain. Let's get going. Right now it is 12:10. We just got to the trailhead. Game on. Alright, so all morning, since I realized that I was gonna leave early, I've been doing the math about like what this hike is gonna be, because I knew I was leaving late. I knew it was gonna be heavy metal. So this thing is 5 miles longer than the hike I did last week, and it's double the elevation gain. So right now I'm just trying to really not think about what that means and think about these pretty lakes that I'm about to go see. Check it out. I think up over there, I think there's a lake there. Let's go. Oh man. Not this again. Let's do this. Oh, this is better. Hey. Llegamos. Man, look what I just found. Alright, we made it to Snowmass Lake. I hope that shot of me diving in was worth it, because that water is freaking freezing. Now I'm gonna backtrack a little bit and go up Buckskin Ridge, and over that's gonna be Willow Lake is the other lake, and then we start going back towards Snowmass. This view, dude. Look at that, all around. So I gotta get up this ridge, and then over there is gonna be Willow Lake. So this is the top of the ridge. Now I just need to go down to the lake and go back to Snowmass and then go home. It's all downhill from here. We made it. This is Crater Lake behind me. It was fun, but I gotta get out of here fast. So if you'll excuse me.